Hello YouTube, Austin105 here. Today my friend got me the new wind-up tin at uh, Kmart. So I've never opened up something in front of you guys, so I thought I might do it. I haven't done a video in a while. So yeah, let's get started. You see it's still got its Konami seal. Alright, so here we've got our little package thing of cards. Thing that's probably most wanted in this. So of course you get your Zenmaster secret. That's nice. That's for trade if you guys want it. Neos Knight for trade. Christia, that's for trade. That looks nice, real nice. Element the Hero Gaia, it's beautiful. And Pot of Duality. Yeah, that's not for trade. That's going to one of my friends. So let's get started. I don't know why I bought this tin. There's really nothing worth it in it anymore, considering she had 1-to-1, so its value's going to drop. New ruling with the Exceeds, and Hero Gaia dropped it. Trish, still pretty good. So if you look, we got 2 Storm Ragnarok, 1 Extreme Victory, and 2 Hidden Arsenal. Start with Hidden Arsenal. I'm not expecting to do good at this at all. So, its secret is Direct Meteor. No good supers, no Birdman. Next one. Oh, nice. Fabled Cerebral. That is definitely for trade. And a Chawa. So yeah, that's really good. That was a good pack. I like it. Now we'll move on to the Storm of Ragnarok. Really, any hollow would make me happy. Nope. Foolish Return. Alright. Next pack. Wow. BS. Kageki. Of course. The last pack, Extreme Victory. Not expecting to do good at all. Necro Defender. Crappy tin. I did get a Warwolf. Pretty good. So yeah, guys. Not a great tin, but got the duality, which would help a lot. Thank you guys. Comment, rate, subscribe.